So finally Xiaomi announces A2 and it is coming in India on 8th of August. So yeah, be ready for that. And basically in this video I'm going to tell you everything about Xiaomi Mi A2 that you might want to know. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So basically this is a video where I'm going to tell you everything about Xiaomi Mi A2. So let's begin. Before starting this video guys, let me tell you one thing, that if you want to see behind the scene of this channel, as well as if you want to be my friend, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is over here. So yeah, with that said, let's begin. So let's start with the design guys. This smartphone will going to have same design as Redmi Note 5 Pro, with some refinement. Basically Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro had plastic at the bottom as well as on the top, but this smartphone is going to be fully metal build, and I have to say it looks pretty gorgeous. But there is only one complaint from my side, that the camera hump is very huge. You have to use the case for protection for basically this camera glass, otherwise it will definitely gonna scratch. So yeah, when it comes to design, it looks pretty good, but the only sad part is it doesn't have the headphone jack, which is a big letdown for a lot of people, especially in the mid-range market. So yeah, with that said, let's move on. So guys, talking about the specification, it has a Snapdragon 660 which is an awesome processor. It looks pretty good. So let's see. I am very excited about the chip of this smartphone. And moving to the GPU guys, it will gonna have Adreno 512 GPU, which is also a powerful GPU. Now moving to the display, as you might already know that it has 5.99 inches of 1080p display, basically 6 inches of 1080p display. IPS panel is there, and there is no notch thankfully, which is an awesome thing, but display looks pretty good. Now talking about the cameras, on the back it will have dual rear cameras, basically 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel. Both are having 1.8 aperture, which is awesome thing. But unlike last year, they have removed the telephoto lens. Basically the focal length of both the lens are equal, which is not a good thing in my opinion. But they have implemented pixel binning. That means they merge 4 pixel into 1 pixel. That means photos which are taken on the night time or basically in low light, which are going to be amazing, as Xiaomi says that. But let's see, let's test it out and let's see. And moving to the front, it will have 20 megapixel front facing camera with f2.2 aperture, which is an awesome thing too. So yeah, now under the hood it has 3000 mAh battery, which is not that good, but let's see how it gonna performs. And yeah guys, it will have type C port, which is an awesome thing, with the omission of headphone jack, which is a really sad thing for lots of people. Let's see who is gonna buy this without the headphone jack. I think I'm gonna buy it, but there is lots and lots of people who are not agreed with this policy of Xiaomi, that removing headphone jack from the budget smartphone, which is not a very good thing. But they are kinda copying Apple in every manner, so they are removing headphone jack from the budget smartphone too, which is a very sad thing in my opinion. And even they remove the SD card slot, which is a very bad thing. That means you cannot insert the SD card too in this smartphone. So they are becoming #Apple. So let's see what will gonna happen on 8th of August. By the way, the phone is already launched. Lots and lots of people have that phone. For example, C4 Tech. If you don't know who is that C4 Tech, just YouTube him. He's a very big YouTuber basically. And lots of other YouTuber also has that smartphone. So I have to say it looks pretty good in terms of videos and as I have heard from them. But let's see how it goes. Now moving to the pricing guys, there is lots and lots of rumors about the pricing, that it will going to be priced at 20,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees. But I have to say guys, it will going to be priced at around 16,000 rupees. This is the best pricing for Xiaomi Mi A2. So let's see. I hope and I think that it will going to be priced at 16,000 rupees, which is a very good price for Snapdragon 660 processor, as well as a very awesome display and lots of other things. But let's see, I am very excited about this. Basically it's a stock Android with Xiaomi's hardware, which is an awesome thing. So let's see, let's hope, hopefully I will get a review in it, hopefully from Xiaomi. So let's see. So yeah, and by the way guys, the variant which will cost 14,999 or 16,000, which will gonna have 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage without any expansion, which is not a good thing. So yeah, this is all the things that you might want to know. So guys, if you have any question, queries, suggestion or anything related to this video or any video or anything, just let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely answer it, or I will definitely note it if you have some suggestions to make for me and for my channel to improve the channel basically. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely improve it, and I will definitely learn it from your side. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you do like this video. If you did like this video, hit that like button right now and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Just hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new video like this one. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.